What is going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to another episode. So yesterday we did a quick analysis on the 1 hourly chart or the 1 hour chart, right? So today we're going to be doing it on a 4 hour, and because there's a number of opportunities that are spotted, and I would like to bring that to your attention. So we're just going to zoom in a little bit closer. We want to cover this area that I'm just drawing out now. Okay, now you should already be able to see it in regards to what I'm talking about. So what we're going to do is we're just going to move these areas. Actually, we don't even need this anymore, so let's get rid of that. And price to then come back down to the zone, so we don't need that either. Right, so we don't need this level either for now, but this place here is still relevant. It's still relevant. So this price point or TP target of 1367.6.23 is still relevant for now because price is still kind of headed in that direction, right? So there are a couple areas that I want us to note, pay attention to, and this is this zone right here. So if you've missed it, if you didn't see this zone in your analysis, just take a look at that, because this is the area where I think price could go to on this journey and maybe start consolidating before maybe it reaches this level. So this is another area this area right here, which is a possible TP location or a consolidation location, and that is 13424.04, right? So now that we've seen a consolidation taking place at this level on the 4 hourly, so just going to zoom in a little bit tighter on here. Now we can see a little consolidation taking place at this level. One or two things may happen. It could happen, it might not happen, it just depends, right? And that is, we could have this type of consolidation take place at this level, which is what we're currently looking at right now. So we could get this type of vibe going on. Which is a possibility. I'm not saying this is a fact, it's a possibility. And then it could break down this way. So that's one possible scenario. Or price can just continue to go in this direction. Just pick up from where it is and just head up here. And then once we get to this point, we figure out what price is going to do. So these are the two areas, right, where something interesting could happen in regards to price and what the market wants to do. And also as well, we need to keep an eye on this zone, right? This zone as well, that's another important area we want to keep an eye on. And that's the next potential price point of where price could go to. And that is 14170.93. So there's three levels where price could go to on this journey to the upside. And also another thing we want to be mindful of as well is that tomorrow is non-farm payroll, so that is going to have an impact in some kind of way on how the NAS behaves tomorrow, right? So through my analysis, I will assume that this structure has a possibility of taking place. However, the push to the upside also has a possibility of taking place as well. But I'm more inclined to go with this particular scenario than that scenario that I showed earlier, which is this. I should have kept it there actually, which is this. So I think this scenario over here is the most likeliest scenario to take place. And this is another possibility because we're kind of in position on a Friday for when the news is released in regards to the non-farm payroll job report. Something is going to happen. right? Something is going to happen. Either it's pushing up or it's breaking down. But we'll figure that out tomorrow, okay? So that's it for this video. And if you found this content useful, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification, and drop us a like. These 3 things will cost you absolutely nothing, okay? It's completely free. It's just you moving your mouse or moving your fingers on your phone, depending on what you're watching. Please do this if you found the content useful. It will help the channel grow, and I will truly appreciate it, okay? Now, if you didn't find the content useful, then obviously it doesn't matter. But if you did, just do just one thing for me. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification, and drop us a like. So until the next video, this is Pips and Points signing out.